Okay, let's see. Let's enter it. Looks very fancy. Wow.
Wow.
This. Let's take a spin.
Looks unbelievable.
Very modern.
I
Clean.
never see this like in Germany.
No, I haven't seen this in Sweden either.
Can you take a photo?
There's some jacuzzis. You got everything here. Wow. You got some food. See if you have good food. If you're a food guy, yep, they have some good food. Yep. They have good food. Yep. It's very clean. You can see, it's very nice, neat. They have small jacuzzis. Wow. Should we go inside? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Oh, let's see. Wow, deep. It's deep. Oh, okay. Oh. It's deep. It's deep. Wow. Can't do that over here. Huh? What are you saying? Ah, sorry. It's closed? Okay. Sorry. I have to pay for this. Okay, we go pay for it. Pay there? Okay. We pay there, right? Okay. Thank you. Now you have to pay for it. We paid like 40 euro each, and you can't even swim here. You have to pay what?
Pay for everything.
Pay for everything. That's it.
Yeah, not much at
No. Oh my God.
all. Good.
Fucking hell. Okay, it was worth a try. How's it going? Try to find my flip flop. Thank you.
What?
Good man. Wow, it would be nice to sit there, right?
That's it?
You have to pay. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, man. You have to pay for it. No. You have to pay. I don't know. It's like I don't know. He said pay there. Rental. You see? They haven't opened this room yet, so we're in the second floor right now. You have to pay everything. Also this one. We pay like 40 euros. 40 euros on the side. But it's good. It's no problem. I want to go inside there. We have some good stuff. Inside there is closed, guys, so can't go in. But now we go outside. I think outside is nice. Okay. There we go. We see the okay, let's go outside. Wow. Big sun. Right. Oh wow. Yeah, Cimer Spa. Cimer Spa. Okay. Feels very good. Let's see what we got. Got a golf course in front of us. Nice. Some parking station. And we got an airport exactly behind us somewhere. Wow. Wow. Should I come? Oh, I made it.